When you're running a skeleton crew and you're short-staffed, scale computing is what you want. I love how easy it is to use, how easy it is to troubleshoot, or easy it is to just spin up a server on demand or add resources when necessary. With scale, they give me that time back. My name is Josh Morth. I'm the IT manager here at Interface. I'm in charge of leading the help desk and taking leads on projects. My company designs and manufactures load cells. They're pretty much devices that measure different kinds of force. We are a global selling company, but we are primarily based here in the US, specifically out of Arizona. We're about 500 employees. The challenges we experienced were we were using Hyper-V, and it wasn't exactly what we were looking for. Specifically, it was the challenge of pairing hardware with the right Hyper-V. We wanted an easier solution, a simpler solution, one that came with the right solution, the right product, and came with the hardware. We discovered Scale back in around 2017, 2018. We considered VMware as another solution, but it came down to price and value. In my previous role, I worked with VMware primarily as a VDI environment, but one of the more difficult challenges I experienced was upgrading, whereas with Scale Computing, it's one click. Scale Computing has proven themselves time and time again. They're like a second me that I can rely on. Being a hands-on solutions expert, switching to Scale was terrifying. If an error happens or something happens you need to investigate, there's not much as a systems administrator that you can do, and that's what you're good at. You have to hand it off to Scale support team, which was terrifying at first. However, the Scale support team they're the best. It's not often that we have to contact Scale support, but when we do, I know that we're going to be taken care of. I know it's going to be done quickly. A year ago, our main office building experienced a flood. It made water burst under the foundation and cracked it and flooded the entire first floor of our admin building. Guess what was in our admin building? All the servers, everything, all the infrastructure for the entire organization was on the first floor. In one moment, the entire organization couldn't function. In manufacturing, downtime is money lost. Anytime the plant isn't producing parts or shipping, that's money lost. It was a hard lesson to learn that we needed more redundancies, more recovery options than what we had before. The recent implementation of our Scale NUC has allowed us to move some critical infrastructure servers on site. Buying that Scale Computing NUC was buying insurance. So no matter what happens to any other building, they have the resources necessary to continue functioning no matter what happens to the company. Scale Computing is there.